Bingo Cash tax forms can fail to load because the form page, app session, network connection, or account verification process is not responding correctly. By the end, you'll know which checks to make before reinstalling Bingo Cash, or repeatedly trying to open the same tax form. First, completely close Bingo Cash and reopen it. Then go back to the tax or account section and try opening the form again. A fresh app session can resolve a page that became stuck while loading. If the form still doesn't appear, test your internet connection. Open a website or another app that requires an internet connection and confirm it loads normally. If you're using Wi-Fi, temporarily test Bingo Cash over mobile data. If you're using mobile data, try a reliable Wi-Fi connection. If everything else loads normally but the tax form does not, check whether Bingo Cash has an available update. On Android, open Google Play, search for Bingo Cash, and install an available update. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your account icon, and check available updates. An outdated app can cause problems with account pages, forms, and other sections that depend on online services. Next, check whether Bingo Cash is asking you to complete account verification before displaying the tax form. Look for notifications, verification requests, missing profile information, or prompts inside the account section. Complete any required step, and then return to the tax form. On Android, you can also clear Bingo Cash's temporary cache. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Bingo Cache, open Storage, and select Clear Cache if your device provides that option. Clear Cache removes temporary files without using the same reset as clearing the app storage. On iPhone, there isn't a standard Clear Cache button for individual apps. Restart the iPhone and test the tax form again. If you use a VPN, private DNS, ad blocker, or network filtering service, temporarily disable it and reopen Bingo Cash. These tools can interfere with connections used to load account and document pages. If the tax form remains unavailable while the rest of Bingo Cash works normally, the issue may be with the form service or your account rather than your phone. In that case, contact Bingo Cash support and provide the exact screen where the form stops loading. Don't enter personal or tax information into an unofficial website or third-party form just because the in-app page is unavailable. Use the official Bingo Cash process for any tax documentation. Reinstalling the app should be a later step. Before deleting Bingo Cash, make sure you can sign back into your account. The main fixes are to restart Bingo Cash, test another connection, update the app, complete account verification, and clear the Android cache when available. Start with the app restart and connection test because neither requires deleting your account data. If this fixed the tax form loading problem, like the video and subscribe for more app fixes.